Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful two-tone orange color. It's so popping. So this video today is sponsored by Wiggins hair. They sent me over some blonde hair. As you guys know, I've worked with Wiggins hair so many times. They're one of my favorite affordable hair companies, and they sent me the 613 hair in 24 inches and also a frontal. And the frontal was really nice. It came with baby hairs, and I was so happy I didn't have to pluck this frontal, y'all. It already came like kind of pre-plucked and easy for me to use. And I did hand make this wig. This is how it looks, okay? And we're going to be doing the water method today. So I got two containers, one halfway filled and the other one almost completely filled, and the color we're using is the flaming orange. Now this is a really red orange, pinky orange, so don't put the whole jar. I only use a few squirts of this, because if you use too much, your hair will be like reddish orange instead of the bright orange that I have. And now the other container, I'm literally using the smallest amount because I want this to be a brighter orange. So you want to go ahead and mix the colors together. As you can see, the container with more water is a deeper orange, and this one is a lighter orange. So what we're going to do is take the tips of our hair and dip that in the lighter orange first. And I literally dipped it in there for like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, I think it was a few seconds, and look how orange it got. So I hurried up and took that out, and I dipped the entire wig in the deeper orange color. And you guys, I put that in there literally for 1 minute, because it started getting too dark in color. And I immediately took it out, and it was a beautiful reddish orange color, but it was still bright, but it's wet now, so you can't tell. So I did go in when it was dry and put some wand curls, and this is what they looked like. You can kind of see the orangish color at the tips. It's lighter. Now, one thing I will say when doing this method, I would suggest doing the top of the wig first and the roots last, because the tips would have been a lot lighter if I didn't dip the entire wig into the deeper orange. So I kind of messed up on that step. So if you are doing this, do the top first and then the bottom last, okay? That way you will get the more of the lighter look on the tips. It's still light on the tips, but it'll be, even more light. So I did use a ball cap for this wig, and I did use my wig grip. I didn't glue or gel this wig down. I made it custom so it fits my head perfectly. And I'm just pulling my wig on. It's so snug, you guys, especially with the wig grip. It makes your wig feel like, like it's on there. And I didn't tint the lace or anything like that, so I do have to customize that. So first I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs, and I'm just brushing them in place. Since this isn't gelled or glued down, I kind of use the baby hairs to hide the lace, but you don't want to make them too fake looking, because that it makes everything look weird. And I love this color, you guys. It's perfect for Halloween, if you don't want to dress up. I don't know if I'm dressing up this year. I don't know. I was kind of over it for Halloween this year, so I was like, let me just do some cute orange hair, and that'll be like my Halloween costume. But as you can see, you see the lighter tips. It's really, really pretty, and I'm just picking the curls out. And make sure you hold your wig, you guys. This isn't glued on. She might shift. So just hold your wig in place, and I'm brushing the curls out. I really love this orange. It's like on camera it's showing up like a melon orange, but it's a true orange. It's really hard for me to get the exact colors with this camera, you guys. I don't know, but I will show some clips of how it looks in natural light. But I love this. I just brushed it over to make it look like a flip over, and it's giving me life. I love this color against my skin tone. And now I'm adding that powder in the lace, because the lace was a little bit light, and that just set everything off. It looks so pretty. What? You say dark skinned girls can't wear bright colors? What? This is so pretty. Perfect for this time of year. It's cute. And now I'm going to do a little ponytail, because my hair, this was kind of inspired by Nicki Minaj again, yes. And she had a little ponytail on the top with a gold band around it. I've just been loving Nicki hair lately. Ever since she's hired Tay as her hairstylist. Her hair has been bomb, and I just been loving all the styles. So, I had to recreate it, and it's cute. It works you guys, it works for every skin tone. It's amazing. So this is what the hair looks like in natural light, and as you guys can see, it is a true orange color. Hair actually soaked up the color well. Like I said, you guys, this hair was only in the color for a few seconds, and it was like completely colored, and I was like, oh my god, it colors, like this hair soaks up the color so fast. Like, so if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you check the description bar below. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Halloween. I'll see you guys next time.